Hi, Han. Welcome to another video on the channel. And if you are new, hit the subscribe button to join the circle. And don't forget to turn on post notifications because you do not want to not be here. It has come to my attention that there are some people out there who still do not understand the difference between a deep conditioner and a leave-in conditioner. And I'm here to straighten that out. These two are really, really important when it comes to natural hair care. Like, you cannot have a natural hair care routine without a deep conditioner and a leave-in conditioner. But for some reason, some people are still confusing the two. And if you use one for the other, you may not get the benefits that you're supposed to get. Okay, it's not going to give what it's supposed to give. So let me differentiate between both of them for you now. Let's start with a deep conditioner. So what a deep conditioner does is that it reaches into your hair strands, like it enters, it used to pass under your hair shaft and reach inside to hydrate your hair inside. So how it is usually applied is you would apply some of it onto your hair and then you cover it with a shower cap or a nylon bag or a processing cap. I'm sure you've seen a lot of that in different watch day videos across the internet. You can watch some of mine, I'll link them down below. That's basically how you go about applying a deep conditioner. That's what a deep conditioner does. You apply it to your hair, you cover it, you leave it for 30 to 45 minutes. If you're going to use a heat cap, you can leave it on for much less time, maybe 20 to 30 minutes, and you just leave it for that amount of time and allow it to work. And after that amount of time, you rinse it out and you would instantly feel the difference, or at least you should if you are using good products. There are two deep conditioners that I have used and loved, and that is one, the Mega Grow Deep Conditioner. I used this deep conditioner for like the first forever. I've been in the natural hair community for about 4 years now, so I think I used it up until this year. It was this year that I said, you know what, let me try something new, and I moved on to the Afro Virtues Deep Conditioner, and that is what I use till date. Those are the two deep conditioners that I have used and I would recommend because they really did well for my hair. That is all about deep conditioners. They are basically conditioners that you put on your hair, you leave it on for a while for it to process, for it to penetrate your hair and hydrate your hair from the inside, and then after some time you rinse it out. That's it. And then we have the leave-in conditioner, and you can tell from the name, it says leave in. You apply it and then you leave it. It's supposed to be in your hair. It's like, think of it like a hair cream but moisturizing, because most hair creams are oil based anyway. So for a leave-in conditioner, you apply it after you have rinsed out your deep conditioner. So like I said before, your deep conditioner hydrates the inside of your hair. So what the leave-in conditioner now does is to moisturize the outside part of your hair. So you see why I said that they both work together and you need both of them. I don't know if anyone has ever tried this, but if you deep condition without applying a leave-in conditioner or any form of moisturizing agent, after like a day or even a few hours, once your hair dries, once water leaves your hair starts to feel really dry even though you have just deep conditioned. The reason is because one cannot stand alone without the other. You need to deep condition and then moisturize your hair with a leave-in conditioner for your hair to have that full circle moisture inside and out. So they both work together to keep your hair, elastic and strong, like free from breakage and all that. They are like a power couple, a dynamic duo. Some leave-in conditioners that I have used and fallen in absolute love with that I can recommend to you. I've actually been really, really adventurous with my leave-in conditioners. So number one, of course, is the Mega Growth leave-in conditioner, which I used for like the first 2-3 years of my natural hair journey. So I would definitely recommend that to you. Then there is this Gush leave-in conditioner. I love this one so much. The scent is nice, the consistency is amazing, almost every ingredient is plant-based. It's just a perfect leave-in conditioner. Almost all the different styling products that I've ever tried to mix it with mixed properly. Like, it doesn't flake with gels, it doesn't flake with temporary hair dyes. It just mixes well and plays well with everything. So this Gush leave-in conditioner, In fact, if you haven't tried it before, you have to go and try it now. Then there is also the Nature's Gentle Touch Tea Tree Leave-In Conditioner. I really like that one. It was really moisturizing and it has a very lightweight consistency, and a little goes a long way. But I think it's because I bought the tea tree one, the mint, the menthol. I mean, I know I love products, hair care products that have menthol inside, but this one, the mint strong. If you are adverse to strong minty scents, you may not like this one. And then some cheaper leave-in conditioners that I have used are the Mediana conditioning hair milk. That product is amazing. It doesn't have this like fresh scent of all these more recent products. It has a more like local scent. The smell reminds me a little bit about soulmates. So if you are one for the fancy scents, then it may not work really well for you. But if you are looking for the cheapest thing on the market, I'd say that is the leave-in conditioner for you, because the last time I bought a bottle from Ebano of all places, it was 850 naira. Then there is one more that I have tried. It's called the Nature Endowed Restore Leave-In Conditioner. This one too is really nice. It also has a very local soulmatey scent, but it feels really good on my hair, and my hair usually stays moisturized for about 3-4 days when I use it. So I would also recommend it to you. So yeah, I have differentiated between a deep conditioner and leave-in conditioner, and I've also given you product recommendations. Like I've put you on. Don't say I've not done something for you. Now that I've done all that for you, I need you to do something for me, okay? I need you to go down and like this video, drop a comment, and subscribe to this channel if you still haven't, because it's popping over here. Like, why have you not subscribed? No, tell me why. Please, and subscribe. I promise you, I'm gonna like it here. Yeah. All right, so that is the end of this video. Make sure you go to the description. There are a lot of resources there for you regarding this video and otherwise. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.